Hey, today we're going to look at an app called Perfect Me Face and Body Editor. Okay, this app actually you can use it to change how you look. You can use it to increase maybe your cheeks, whatever you want to add on your body. If you don't have money for surgery, at least you can try to dream it with this app. Okay, it can really do a lot of stuff and it has great reviews. Okay, it has great reviews and what I know, it does what it promises. Okay, you can reshape your body, retouch and all that stuff. Okay, we're going to see how it works, how you can use it, and I'm going to install it. It's here. I've already downloaded it, and we're going to go into the installation process. Okay, let me zoom in this. So after installing this app, you're going to be welcome to this app, and they're going to tell you, okay, welcome. Then you can click on next. Reshape the body. Okay, next. You can retouch your face. Okay, you can try to increase your elbows. You can try to adjust your face. You can remove pimples from your face. Everything that actually I've ever dreamed of actually doing on your body, you can actually try to do it with this app. Okay, AI features, you can try to enhance it with AI features and, whatever, all that. You can retouch your body, try to adjust your cheeks, their ears, nose, lips, whatever. Okay. And okay, so after installation, tap to select photo or video to edit. Okay, so after you installing the app, it will look like this. Now you have to click on this tab. You have to add the photo because they are going to be your photos. Okay, or someone else's photos that you're actually doing, whatever you're doing is photos for, but you're going to click on this plus, which is here down. You can see it on my bottom right. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. Okay. So you're going to try to allow this app to have access to your phone, photos, media, and files. So you have to click on allow. If you click on deny, you're going to be a bit stuck. So on my phone, I'm going to have this photo. There's a photo of a lady. I'm going to select that. Okay. I think it takes time to load it. Okay, here we are. So we're going to try to perform some actions on this lady. Here down, you can have some tools. I'm seeing here, tap here to auto slim and enhance the body. So there's even the auto. You have these buttons to feature the body in manual mode. You can work on the waist, the boobs and the hips, all that stuff. Okay, you can slide and discover more tools. Actually, the tools are many, so sometimes you can have to slide like this. So don't stop at what you're seeing. You can actually, when you slide like this, you're going to see like face. Okay, and you can apply the effect that you're going to get from this. Then when I scroll more, okay, I think I'm seeing more faces. So here down there are actually tools. There is the body, there is the face, there is the makeup. Okay, I believe some of the features you may have to pay, but still you can really do a lot with the free. So with the body, we can, I think, try to, okay, let's try to see the belly. Okay, now the challenge is the dress is using may not really bring out the curves that we want, but let me say the arms. So slide the bar to slim the arms. So this is how it works. So you have to kind of, so I believe you need to have, you need to have a clear picture. Okay. Oh my gosh, my phone is, okay. So let's try to do this. So there's some cool effects. Like, for example, I can click on face, then I can say beautify. The app will try to zoom in to the person. Then I'm seeing here like beauty, it's off. Now this feature is actually premium. You have to join the VIP. Okay, I feel let's leave this one. I wanted to show you what actually, because the person who I saw was using this app was actually, I saw him using the Bitfi, section. So I think let's leave that because it's actually premium. But there's a lot of things that you can do on your picture. You can try to work on your arcane, something like that. You just have to find time and zoom in. The more you use this app, the more you discover what actually, the more good you come at using the app. Okay, just know like there's a lot of actually functionalities. Some of them are manual. If you have like arcanes, you can try to, move this auto, manual, this auto, then you click on publish. Now the picture which I brought is kind of actually from afar, but if you can have a picture which is front and the face is visible, you can try to do a lot with that photo. Anyway, so these are one of the features that's in the picture. There is a shrink. You can shrink your face. Something like that. Okay. For some reason, I'm using an emulator on my computer, so some of the functionalities I think they're not really working. I need to have a real phone. But you can really try to shrink. Okay, let's try out this. All right. So you can do a lot with this software, but try to have a clear picture. You can change facial expression in one click. You can make your picture kind of to smile. Okay. And they are actually different effects. Anyway, I need to log in. All right. So make sure you are actually logged in, and some of the features are free. Some of the features are premium. Some of the features you have to be logged in. All right. So this is what I can say about this app, but definitely if you look at the reviews, it's really, really, really good. Okay. People are really talking about this app. I'm not really actually pitching in about this app. You can read the reviews yourself. Everything looks really great, user-friendly, gives natural look. I've been using Perfect for me for quite a time, and I'm 90% satisfied. Beauty editor, that's all the option that you could ever want. I usually use this to enhance facial features. Though they're free, subscriptions are limited options, but still this app will really help you to do major edits and even minor. I'm actually using this app for years now. Okay. So that's what I can say. If you're interested in actually discovering apps which you didn't know they exist, subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my video, and I really appreciate leaving a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.